Exercise number 28 and 29, bell bottom salwar, drafting, cutting and stitching. Bell bottomed salwars are commonly worn both by men and women. It has a narrow knee and a flat bottom called bell. It is tight fitting from the waistline to the knee and loose at the bottom. The waist may be finished with the belt and a zipper placket on the left side.
Paper pattern drafting. Measurements, materials, instructions for drafting. Draw the pattern of bell bottom salwar. Separate back part, front part and waist part. Instructions for master pattern. Add the given allowances to the paper pattern and cut the excess brown sheet to get the master pattern components. Name the cut pattern components for future reference. Layout and cutting. Lay the fabric on the cutting table on open laying with wrong side facing upwards. Arrange the master pattern of bell bottom economically without wasting the fabric. Cut along the marking line with sharp shears. Mark all stitching lines and notches on the components. Mark the back dart. Pin all the layers of components together for stitching. Bell bottom salwar stitching. Take left side, front and back leg part, right sides matching together. Start stitching from lower placket. Mark band continues the stitch up to the bottom with double row of stitches. Stitch the zip at placket position using zipper foot. Skill sequence 1. Inside leg seam. Take right side, front and back leg part. Baste the inner leg seam. Back piece of garment has to overlap the front piece by 1 cm at raw edges. Stitch along basting line with machine. Turn the garment to right side. Stitch along the baste line. Turn overlapping edge of back side to front side, then stitch it. Join the crotch by double seam. Stitch the darts. Stitch the belt at the waist. Finish the bottom by hem folder. Fix hook and eye on the belt. Finish and press.
In this exercise, you have studied the drafting, cutting and stitching of bell-bottomed salwar with the skill sequence of inside leg seam. Now let us go to the next exercise.